Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, Abdul Haadi is flying a 3D helicopter first time in his life. Keep going, very good. Okay, good. Stop. Very nice. You just did your first stick mixing. Wonderful. Now go forward. Bring the helicopter here. Keep doing, keep doing. Wonderful, mashallah. You're doing it very well. See, he's learning to mix the controls very well. Yes, awesome. Look at that. He's flying inverted forward. He's flying inverted backward. And he's mixing the controls as well. Awesome. Yes, see? Very good. Awesome. You're doing like a forward funnel. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here with Haadi Ali, and Abdul Haadi is going to fly the 3D helicopter, 450 size 3D helicopter for the very first time in his life. Okay, let's set the camera so that you can clearly see. Stand here, stand here. You're a little taller than Arish. One moment. Okay, so turn the radio on, sir. Very good. One moment, Baba is going to help you with all the switches are in the right position. Okay, don't do anything now. Hold the radio, all right? Now, Arish, let's prepare the helicopter. Haadi, don't touch the radio settings. One moment, let me see. Just stay here, don't move. Okay, don't touch any screen settings, okay? All right, let's connect the battery.
Adi, don't touch anything, okay? I'm connecting.
Yeah. Wrong. Turn around. Press. Okay, don't do anything. Don't dance with the radio. Okay, bring the canopy. Both in the middle. Yes, very good. And put the nose away, so Haadi's orientation will not be bothered. Good. Put it down. Very good.
Second.
One moment. Don't start the motor, sir. I will stand here so that I can control if anything goes wrong, right? So push it down and left. Okay, wait for it and leave. Okay. See, motor has started. All right. Arish, don't move that camera, right? Okay, one moment. Haadi, you can do it. Don't worry. You can do it, okay? Slowly push up. Slowly keep pushing. Very good. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. It's okay. I'm fine. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go a little higher. Okay, very good. Now go forward. Very good. Keep going forward. Don't worry about anything. Thank you, Arish. Keep going. Turn right. This one to turn right. This one to turn right. See? Turn your head right. Very good. Keep turning. Okay, go forward now. See? Abdul Haadi is flying a 3D helicopter first time in his life. Keep going. Very good. Go a little higher. Very good. Okay, turn the nose right. This one to turn the nose right. Okay, go forward. That is very nice, mashallah. Thank you very much, Haadi. You're doing it. You're doing very well. Keep doing, keep doing. Keep flying. Okay, very good. Now, so when you're going forward, you are holding it. You can also move this a little bit right. Try it. And hold there. Yes, just hold here. Just hold here. Very good. Okay, good. Stop. Very nice. You just did your first stick mixing. Wonderful. Turn the head to right again. Keep turning. Keep turning. Very good. More. 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 Okay, now go forward. Bring the helicopter here. Keep doing, keep doing. Wonderful, mashallah. You're doing it very well. Awesome. Okay, you want to fly backward? Yeah, you can. Just push the stick backward. Slowly, yeah. Just hold it there. And at the same time, push this rudder to the left. Hold that stick back and push rudder a little. Hold that stick back. Yes. Don't worry, don't worry. Look, he's flying backward funnels. Okay, very good. Move to the right using this one. Yes, move to the right. No, that's left. Go right. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Awesome. Now try to fly around by yourself. Just go around. Like go forward, turn around. Later he will try invert it. Good. See, he's learning to mix the controls very well. Keep doing, keep going. Anytime you make mistake, just leave the sticks, okay? Got it? Keep doing it. Yeah, don't come over our head, okay? Turn the head around. Turn the head around. More. Okay, more. More. Okay, go higher. Keep going higher. 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 Okay. Good. Now, you will push this switch down, not this one, okay? This one down. Do it. Look at that! Haadi's flying inverted! How awesome is that? He's coming down. He's coming down. And he's flying forward, okay? Leave the sticks if you make mistake. Don't worry about it. Go forward. Go for, okay, don't come closer. Don't come, no, it's enough. Don't come down. Go forward. Only go forward. Yes, awesome. Look at that. He's flying inverted forward. Can you fly inverted backward? Look at him, mashallah. He's flying inverted backward and he's mixing the controls as well. Awesome. Okay, go higher. Higher, 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 higher. At the safe altitude. More high. Okay, enough. Now. Good. Look at that. He came back to the normal flight. Awesome. Now go backward, fly a little bit, and then you can land. All right? Sweet. Look at this. His controls are, mashallah, very nice. Forward. Yeah, you can come down if you want. It's fine. All right, make a circle. No, that's coming to us. Yeah, that is nice pyro. That is a pyro. If you want to fly circle like this, this is how you fly a circle, right? Do you know now? You try a circle by yourself. Go forward and mix a little bit rudder. You're mixing too much rudder. More forward, less rudder. You need to hold the forward. Yes, hold the forward more. Push the forward more. Yes, push the forward more. Yeah, rudder little. Little rudder and more forward. Yes, see? Very good. Awesome. You're doing like a forward funnel, but eventually you will learn to fly circles. More forward, more forward. Okay, enough. Leave it. Leave the sticks. Go backward. Awesome. Now turn the tail to yourself. So the tail is to yourself. And land. Now, Haadi is going to land all by himself. Say. He's landing there. He's landing the helicopter. Full down. Full down. Awesome. And disengage. Awesome! Yes, this needs a big high five. Come on, high five. Yeah, you did it. Double high five. Yeah, Harsh did it. And double high five. Haadi did it. How old are you?
6.
How old are you?
9.
And you are flying a 3D helicopter already? Awesome, guys.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.